Hi friends, good afternoon. I am Madhu Solar Tech. What you are seeing in this video is the first domestic wind generating system installed and commissioned by Solar Tech for one of our customers at Palakkad town. This is near the head post office Palakkad. As you can see in this video, it is a solar wind hybrid system. Down below, we have a 2 kilowatt solar power plant and our 1.8 kilowatt or 1800 watts windmill or wind turbine is installed along with this 2 kilowatt solar power plant. You can see the wind turbine rotating at its axis. The wind speed is now it's around 6 meter per second. As the wind speed increases, the rotor speed also increases. At 2 meter per second wind speed, the rotor starts cranking, and at 4 meter per second, the turbine starts generating power. At 10 meter per second wind speed, the turbine generates rated output. You can see the rotor speed increasing, and now it is around 10 meter per second. And if if the turbine rotates at this speed for 1 hour, it generates 1.8 units of electrical energy, which is used to charge the batteries, or it can be used to feed to the grid. Now the length of the rotor blade is 1.8 meters and the rotor diameter is 3.6 meters. You can also see in the video there is a tail which is just opposite to the wind turbine. The tail aligns the wind turbine in the direction of maximum wind flow. The turbine is free to rotate 360 degrees along the tower axis. The height of the tower is 15 feet, which holds the wind turbine where there is no obstruction for the wind flow or where there is free wind flow. The power produced by the wind turbine is AC power. This is fed to the cables. You can see the cables coming out of the turbine, runs along the tower and then goes below to the metering system, to the charge controller and the full wave bridge rectifier, where the DC or where the AC power is converted to the DC power, and the DC power is charging the 48 volt battery bank. So in the daytime you have the solar charging the battery, and during the night time the batteries are charged by the wind power. Both acts complementary. This is the advantage of having a wind solar hybrid system. Hope you have enjoyed my video on solar wind hybrid system. If you liked my video, please share my video to your friends, and thanks very much for watching my video. Thank you.